Welcome to doassignment-ca. Here is the problem. Solve x squared plus 2x plus 1 equals 0. Now let us work through the solution step by step. We start with x squared plus 2x plus 1 equals 0. Looking at the left side, we notice it matches the perfect square trinomial pattern, a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, which factors into a plus b all squared. Here a is x and b is 1. Applying the pattern, x squared plus 2x plus 1 factors neatly into x plus 1, the quantity squared, so our equation becomes x plus 1 squared equals 0. Taking the square root of both sides gives x plus 1 equals 0. Since the square root of 0 is simply 0, there is no plus or minus to consider, leaving us with a single equation. Subtracting 1 from both sides gives x equals -1. Because the factor x plus 1 appeared to the second power, -1 is called a repeated root, or a double root. Let's verify by plugging -1 back in. -1 squared is 1, plus 2 times -1 is -2, plus 1 gives us 1 minus 2 plus 1, which equals 0. The equation checks out. In conclusion, the equation x squared plus 2x plus 1 equals 0 has exactly one real solution, x equals -1, a double root. Visit doassignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.